Hey everyone, check this out. Here comes the mighty King Kong, charging through the city like he owns the place. Look at that stride, pure power. But wait, who's this little guy? It's a tiny chick, and it's running for its life. Peep, 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 those little legs are moving as fast as they can. What's going to happen? Oh, this is amazing. King Kong spots the chick, slows down, and now they're running together. Side by side, the giant ape and the little bird. An unlikely duo on a morning jog. Woo! And just when you think it can't get any cuter, they both stop, catch their breath, and burst out laughing. It just goes to show, friendship can be found in the most unexpected places. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun videos. Thanks for watching.